Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I made this palazzo pant. It's a pant cutting and stitching tutorial. Make sure to continue watching to see how I made it. To make this, I'll be using this fabric. It's called Adire fabric. As you can see, it's very nice. It's a good quality. So next thing I'm going to do now is to fold my fabric. I'm going to fold into two for the front first. Then after the front, we'll go over to the back. So let me fold this. So this is my fabric folded into two, as you can see. Then how to know the amount of fabric to cut out. You're going to do your hips divided by 4 plus at least 7 inches or 8 inches. And that is what I have here. So I'm just going to square out a line that I'm going to start from. So I'm going to square out a line here. So this is my starting line, which will be my waistline. From there, I'm going to take waist to the hips, which is 8.75, and then waist to the crotch extension, which is crotch length, which is 11. How to take your measurement for your crotch length. Sit on a flat surface. Take from your waistline down to the flat surface where you're seated. Whatever you have is what you're going to put here. So mine is 11, and that is what I have added here. Next is to get the length of the trouser. I want it to be 42 inches, and I have added 1 inch hemming allowance for that. So I'm going to just go ahead and square this line out. Now, this side is going to be the side seam. So, from the side seam, I am going to do my hips divided by 4, which is 11 and a half. I'm going to mark it. I'm going to add extra 3.5 inches to that. Extra 3.5 inches to that, which will make it 15 and a half. I'll mark it here. And then I'm going to take it up to this place and connect it. So next, on the crotch length, you're going to do the crotch extension. Mine is 2.5 inches. I'm going to mark that. If you're on the plus size, you can do 3 inches. If you're on the small size, you can do 2 inches. So the line, I leave it straight because it's a palazzo pant, right? So I'm just going to connect this like this. And the front is ready. Then I'm also going to add 1/2 inch joining allowance here. I'm not going to do anything to the waist because I'm going to use elastic on the waistline. So I'll just go ahead and place this on another pattern paper. I'm going to place this on another fabric, making sure I have 2.5 inches here, 2.5 inches extra here, and also 2.5 inches extra here. So you can see my fabric laid down for the back. I've left 2.5 inches, enough inches here and enough inches in front. So first thing I'm going to do now is to just go up here 2.5 inches. Connect this up like this, and then come here 2.5 inches, which is here. just maintaining this line. So I'm going to connect from here to come and meet this place. Just connect it like this to come and meet here, and then at the center front I'm going to go out 3 inches, 3 inches, then connect it like this. Can you see what I'm doing? Just connect it like this. You come in from there, you come in and connect it like this. And also from here, you're going to just go in like this so that you do 1 inch all the way down. Can you see what I've done? I'm going to just mark this as a guide, then take this off and also connect this like this. Can you see? So next is for me to cut this out. So this is how it's going to look. Can you see? Very simple. Next thing I'm going to do is to mark a notch where I'm going to add the side pocket. So I'll just come down 3.5 inches. This is where I'm going to insert the side pocket. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to add elastic waistband to this. It's very simple. The next thing I'm going to do now is add pocket to this, close the center front, close the side front, and then I close the side seam. After the side seam, then I go to the crotch inside leg. That is basically how I'm going to do that. But let me see if I can do all of that and come and show you. So this is it after sewing it, and I've also inserted my side pocket. The next thing I'm going to do now is to place the side seam. I'm going to place the side seam, sew here, also sew this other side, sew this close, and then I'm going to also close the inside leg. Go ahead and open it like this and sew it all the way around. When you're done, you're just going to hem your lower part. Remember, I added only 1 inch, so I'm going to hem in 1 inch. Then after doing this, it's going to be the elastic waist. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to fix the elastic. It's very easy. Make sure to follow me and share this video out. Go ahead and wear it for you to see.
I'll be the one to just go ahead and tell you, at this very moment in my life, I'm in my record that content and post it era. Anything is content. Whatever you got in your drafts, post it. I don't care if it's just you eating a bag of chips. I don't care if it's you writing